I've been loving my smoothies in the morning, and this Breaky berry and chocolate smoothie is one of my absolute favourites. The first thing you need to do is freeze your fresh berries. Now, I love to use my fresh berries for this, but by freezing them, we're going to instantly get this smoothie super cold. So into a blender, we'll start with the liquid. Whenever you're using a blender, liquid goes in first because it's just going to be much easier to mix. I've got some oat milk, so a splash of that. The sweetener for this is a combination of agave syrup, so it is quite sweet, so just a small splash and we'll taste it to see if it needs more. We're also going to get some sweetness from a banana. So one banana, just going to take the skin off, and the riper the banana is, the sweeter this is going to be. So we'll just add that. It's also going to give it a smooth, creamy texture, and that's what I'm after. For the chocolate, just some cocoa powder. Use a really good quality one for this. So we'll add a spoonful or a little bit more so it's extra chocolatey. Some oats, and this is a key ingredient because it's going to keep you full until lunchtime. And a pinch of cinnamon. Okay, last but certainly not least, our lovely berries. How gorgeous do they look when they've been frozen like that? So I'm going to add one whole punnet of raspberries along with a few blackberries, and look how frosty they look. They're just delicious as a snack as is. So we'll add a few of those. Keep the rest for snacking later on. I'm going to add a little bit more of that oat milk now. Lid on, and we're going to blend this until it's really smooth. All right, this is ready, and look at this deep, rich colour. Oh, and it smells good too. So we'll just fill our glass with our smooth smoothie all the way to the top. And for a little garnish, because I have a few of these blackberries left over, I'm just going to cut them in half. So just one or two. So you've got two textures to this, and we'll just rest them on the top. A little sprinkle of cocoa powder, and I just love chocolate and cinnamon together, so a little pinch of that cinnamon too. And you have yourself one delicious chocolate and berry smoothie.